What's up, everybody? David Adams here, bringing you yet another stupid drifting video. This time we are drifting a 1996 Chevy Impala. These cars are not typically known for their handling prowess, nor their ability to maintain what you would call a classic style drift. More just kind of power sliding and doing donuts, but I decided to give this a go. This car is actually going to be mostly left stock, so it has bone stock suspension, and I'm actually only bumping up the power a little bit because I'd like to be able to maintain some semblance of this not being like a professionally built drift car for, you know, actual pro style drifting. So it's got about 416 horsepower. I went ahead and supercharged the V8 that it has, which is that whine you're hearing there. And yeah, it's pretty much just as it is. I did what I call remove the rack limits. So it's got a touch more steering angle, but nothing crazy, no knuckle kits or anything stupid like that. So yeah, we've got slightly shorter gears, a slightly shorter rear ratio, and that's about it. Yeah, this is pretty much what you're seeing is what it's going to be in its final production. So let's watch some more drifting.